Hey guys, Jackraft. Today we're gonna go crappie fishing off my boardwalk. They haven't really been biting yet lately, but I don't know. You never know. We'll just try and see what happens. So maybe we'll just catch a couple sunnies or maybe a couple bass on my bobber rig. But I don't know. Stay tuned. Alright guys, first cast. Get into the water. You can't really see the water very well, but we'll try it. Alright, here we go. Pretty good cast. Yeah. Oh, something just hit. And something just hit again. That one. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw that. Pretty good though. Good action. Yeah. Alright, we'll cast it again. Alright. Ooh. They're everywhere. Okay, you guys got one. Not very big, but, you know, still fun to catch. This is what giants are made first. Just how, you know, all giant fish start as a little sunny like this. See that? Yeah. Maybe a big one someday. Alright, and cast it again. So we can get back to back. And it's moving a little bit. Down. Oh, got off. Get off. I'll reel it up. Cast again. Earlier this year I caught tons of slab crappies right here off my boardwalk. But now they're just little fish, but they're still fun to catch. Alright guys, I'll just get back to you when I get another fish on. Alright guys, just caught this hog. Say 7.5, 8 inches. See the girth on this thing. Really nice. Just off my boardwalk. Alright guys, let me go. There's tons of eggs in that thing probably. Still spawning, so let's see if I can get a big one I can for you guys. Saw a huge fish jump over there. Don't know what it is though. It's not gonna get there. Little chilly. There's the fish. Not a very big one, but still a fish. Not as big as the last one. Not as big as the last one, but just getting there. There's fish jumping everywhere. Might have to go out on the boat tonight. There's fish jumping behind me too. If you guys never tried pan fishing before, like crappie or sunny fishing, you should really try it out. It's really fun if you get into them. Especially the big ones. Seems like whenever I turn the camera on, they don't bite for you, but whenever I turn the camera off, they start biting, so I'll just turn the camera off now. Here's a little sunny, but I don't know. decent size. Maybe like 5 inches. Pretty good here, but we'll let them go. Got this small one, 3-4 inches. Be a monster someday, so we'll let them go. Got another decent one. Oops. Alright, got the camera wet. But anyway, here's another nice one. Another 5-incher. Let them go. Just caught this nice bass off my boardwalk. I don't know, £1.5. Nice catch just off the boardwalk, so let them go. Got this nice sunfish. Oh, 5 inches. I'll grow it to be a bigger one. Alright guys, that's it for today. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. And if you want to look at all my cool fishing pics and hunting pics, go on my Instagram, graph.jack. And yeah, like yesterday, 2 days ago, I caught a 6-pound bass off my boardwalk. So if you want to check that picture out on my Instagram page, just gotta go to graph.jack. Alright guys, thanks for watching.